What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today for the Z06, we've got some new carbon fiber parts. The new carbon fiber parts are these right here, which are engine bay panel covers. So I'll show you where they go in a second. I'll give you guys some close-ups of these, show you how to put them on, and then we'll do a before and after of the engine bay. These carbon fiber pieces are from Extreme Online Store. I'll put a sticker over here. These panel covers install here in these triangle sections on both sides. They kind of dress up the engine bay a little bit, add some carbon fiber, and just kind of give it a cleaner look. The only tools you're going to need to install this are a T40 Torx bit and your favorite ratchet wrench. So with your T40 and your ratchet, you're gonna take out this screw right here, and then that first screw right there. Same thing on both sides. So on this side, this screw right here, and the closest one on the end right here. Once you take those screws out, you'll notice there's a little tab here. It's on both sides. There's a slot on the inside here. You can see it right there. That's where that tab goes. So make sure you put it into that tab before you start forcing it on there. Alright guys, that's it for the video today. Quick and simple install. I think the CF panels look great on the car. I think it's a must for this thing. Really puts focus on the engine here. They were one of the first mods I did on the Stingray for the same reason, to kind of clean up the engine bay. Hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Happy to answer them. If you enjoyed the vid, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Always appreciated. See you next time.